Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we're gonna be doing an oil change in the 2025 Hyundai Elantra N-Line, this beautiful green car right here. And if you look in the manual, it says Hyundai recommends Quaker State oil. So we got some Quaker State full synthetic right here. Let's get into it. Keys. Beautiful. Can you please go away? Trying to film here. Okay. We're underneath the N-Line right now. You can see my feet kicking in the background. Hello! It's a little bit different than the 2022 that I always work on, so let's get into it and show you guys how I change the oil. There's dirt on me. So this car has this cool little drain plug here. You take that pin out and you drain the oil, and then you can put it right back in, and you don't have oil everywhere, which is amazing. So here's a little close-up of that. 17 millimeter here. Cracked it loose. I don't have a plastic bag, so YOLO. We're just gonna go for it, fam. Just gonna go for it, fam.
You want a rag?
No.
Sure you don't want a rag?
Yeah. I want a rag, Dad, yeah.
Slide in. Oh shit, that ain't too bad.
Not bad, huh? Oh, wow. Dad wants to examine. We draining, boys. We draining. So we're gonna give it about 15 minutes to let it drain. That's about usual. Dad is gonna show you the oil because he's obsessed with it.
Oh, look.
look at the color of this oil.
It's pretty clear.
Look at the clear. Look at the cleanness of this oil. My dad's like an oil expert. For all you guys saying that I wore jewelry in my other video, boo-hoo. So what? I can be glamorous and fix cars at the same time. Me and Dad, we've been doing this for a heck of a long time, and this is the easiest way, for sure, to do your oil at home. So if you have a raised surface, and concrete especially, put your car on it, grab 2 blocks, roll your car onto the 2 blocks, and then put your pan underneath, let the oil drain. Bam. Oil change. Oil has been dripping for a hot minute now. We got the drain plug here, bing, bam, and the washer. We're just gonna put that back, and it's nice and clean. Could ever find the hole. If you guys are wondering, why am I doing all this car maintenance? It is the sad truth. My dad cannot get under here. Let's just say that.
Well, I could if there was a well there, but
yeah, he's fat.
You only live once.
YOLO, 17 millimeter. Tomater. Tighten that bolt.
Teepees.
Yeah.
Sleep in the teepees.
Give it another little boom, boom. All right, we chilling.
This car would be perfect.
Chilling. We're getting a mechanic lesson right now.
I'm telling you, anybody tells me that I'll bet them anything. I could put that sucker, if you got 25, I can put it at 30 without you off. So you take the time, and it's gonna come to 25 and it's gonna crack the ring. I've been doing this. I've never broken a bolt. I've taken out many bolts.
You just broke the printer last night.
No, that don't count.
I've never broke. He just broke our printer last night. Now we need a new one. Okay, on to the next step. Let's go. He did low-key break the printer last night.
No, the printer was broke.
You know, you could have just brought it to somebody, and then we would still have the printer.
Okay, I broke the printer.
So we're just gonna take this cover off real quick. Okay, and then I'm gonna grab it with my hands in a minute. There we go. Cool beans. Cool beans. Don't worry, do-do-do, about a thing. Do-do-do-do-do, cause every little thing. Oh my God, I got oil on me. It's gonna be alright. Do-do-do-do-do-do, don't worry. Da-da-da-da-da, about a thing. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Got the pin in. Dad figured out a technique. So he says you can't put the pin back until you pull the filter out. The filter is held in by the pin. You have to hold the filter in order to put the pin back. And then in order to get everything straight and even, you have to take the filter off. So, interesting, learning curve, got it. If this could ever screw in correctly. Pushing this back in, nice and tight. All right, moving on. Gotta do the shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. Time to put the oil in. I made sure we had rags around, so if any oil gets anywhere, rags catch it. Let's unscrew this. I made a nice little funnel, a water bottle. Perfecto. We have full synthetic Quaker State oil. Let's go with it. I'm gonna go like this. How we looking? Pretty good?
Yeah, let's do it.
Take everything off. Put this back in there. Tighten it up. Perfect. Bada bing, bada bam. Let's put it on the ground, let it circulate, and then we're gonna check the oil on a nice flat surface. Everything looks good. Nothing in there. Beautiful. All right. The car is on a nice level surface. Let's check the oil one more time. All right, looks good to me. All right, peeps, that is a job well done for the 2025 oil change Hyundai N-Line Elantra. If you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you'd like to see next, and make sure you subscribe. This bad boy is so beautiful. We're gonna be doing so many road trips with it. Keep out for more videos. Mwah, mwah, mwah. See you guys in the next one. Bye.